In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Systeme.io contact form. First, log into your Systeme.io account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and hover your mouse over the Sites tab. From the drop-down that appears, click on Websites. You'll now see a list of all the websites in your account. Choose the website where you want to add your contact form and open it. Inside the website editor, look to the top left and click on Pages. A drawer will slide out from the left side. Here, click on the plus icon to create a new page. A pop-up window will appear asking for a page name. Type in something clear, like contact form, so you can easily recognize it later, then confirm to create the page. Once your new page opens, double-click anywhere on the page. This action will open the Elements drawer on the left side of your screen. In that left panel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Form. Under this section, locate the Form Input element, then drag and drop it onto the page area on the right. To customize this field, click on the form input you just added. This will open its editing and styling options on the left. Start by choosing the input type, such as email, first name, last name, phone number, country, city, or street address, depending on what information you want to collect. You can also edit the placeholder text, which is the gray text that appears inside the field before someone types. Set the alignment of the text to left, center, or right. If you want, change the placeholder color by clicking the color circle to open the color picker. Decide whether the field is required or optional by checking or unchecking the appropriate box. Next, under typography, adjust the font size and line height to make the text easy to read. You can also select an icon using the icon selector if you want a small graphic inside the field. Under the color section, choose both the text color and the background color, again using the color picker. In the size and position settings, adjust padding for the top, bottom, left, and right to create space inside the field, and tweak the margins to control the spacing around the field. Under border, set the corner radius if you want rounded corners and choose a border style. You can then select a shadow style or choose no shadow and set visibility so this field shows on desktop, mobile, or both. To add another form field, scroll back up in the left drawer and click the back icon at the upper left to return to the main elements list. Find the form input element again, drag and drop a new one onto the page, click it, and repeat the customization steps, this time choosing a different input type so you collect all the details you need. After you've added all your form fields, go back to the Form Elements section and drag a button underneath your inputs. Click the button to open its editing panel. For the button action, choose Submit Form. Then, decide what happens after someone submits. You can redirect them to a specific URL by entering that link, or choose no redirection and instead show a confirmation message, such as a thank you note, after a successful opt-in. Finally, scroll through the remaining button styling options to adjust colors, typography, size, and spacing so it matches your page design. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save to store all your changes. That's it. You now have a fully set up contact form on your Systeme.io website, ready for visitors to reach out to you.